good evening, good morning, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom with a common call today. No camera for you. How is everybody doing? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Yeah, I have a small camera, right? But because I have a common cold, everybody, believe me, you don't want to see my nose, rainy nose. Alright everybody, welcome. This is the Forex trading course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way, and you are going to graduate from this course when you have the 1, 2, 3. 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding of how the market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. For questions and homeworks, you have my email contact and Skype contact, everybody. Now, yesterday we were talking about strategy. Today we're going to work on number 3, meaning you have a complete understanding of how this market works. And today we have Fibonacci in multiple time frames, right? Alright. Fibonacci in multiple time frames. Let's find the blind spot. Hey boss, you sound a little bit sick with flu. I have just the nose, you know. I'm not sick at all. I'm not sure if it's a flu or whatever, Ernesto, but thank you. Okay. I got this once or twice per year. No, I'm not sure what I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, it's just the nose, you know. No pain in the body, no temperature, no sore throat, just the nose. Alright everybody, Fibonacci is multiple time frames, so we are going to have the 24, it's the month. Yeah, maybe it's an allergy, I don't know, maybe. It could be, right? It could be an allergy, you know, maybe monthly, weekly, daily. And remember everybody, today's lesson, it's an upgrade from yesterday, okay? Because you must write into your strategy what are you going to do, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, what are you going to do with the Fibonacci's. Yesterday were when I didn't see it. Yeah, my bad, not yesterday, Monday, sorry. Sorry Ernesto, not yesterday, Monday. Yeah, my bad, not yesterday, sorry. We didn't have any webinars yesterday. Monday, right? Everybody, you have the monthly original Fibonacci going up. You have the weekly original Fibonacci going up. You have the daily original Fibonacci going down. You have the 1 hour, 2 hour original Fibonacci going up. And then you have the monthly contrarian Fibonacci like this. It doesn't have a conformity. Oh my gosh, again this lesson. Yes, this is the lesson. You have the Fibonacci, the weekly Fibonacci with the conformity. You have the contrarian Fibonacci with the weekly like this, you know, no conformity, and up and down, so this was up, and you have this one with the conformity. Give me a second. So this is going to be 1, 2, right, something like this. This is going to be the daily, all right. And A to B, right, so this is something like this. This is the weekly, and the weekly is also something like this, and the daily is like this, you know, something like this. And the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, you know, is up, but it's doing something like this. Give me a second. We need to put the ABCDs, A, B up in here, double click B, A, B. On the original one, A, B, this is the C, A, B, C, A and clone, this is the A and clone, this is the A, clone, this is the A, the B, clone B, clone, clone A, B, down in here one more time, clone A, B up in here, C, clone, this is the C and clone, this is the C and clone, and one more time, this is the capital C. Alright, and we're going to complicate a little bit the things. It would be too easy. Alright, this is the C, there you go, up in here. Alright everybody, this is one of the first lessons, Fibonacci's in multiple time frames. We are working on number 3. You have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. By the way, the daily has something like this, right? Alright, and where is it? This is the B, so the Fibonacci should be somewhere like in here. A, B, and then once we learn about the Fibonacci of the confirmation, we're going to have again one more time Fibonacci in multiple time frames. Here is the question: what are you going to do? What are you going to do, meaning long or short, on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Everybody look at the charts, think and type in the chat, would you buy or would you sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? And there is no right or wrong. If you are going to use the Fibonacci's to trade the market, analyze the 4 time frames and try to figure out where is the greatest probability. Alright everybody, analyze the 4 time frames and try to figure out where is the greatest probability. So you can buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart original Fibonacci, or you can short the contrarian Fibonacci on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Boss, can we trade the daily? Yes, you can. Alright? Okay, long or short. Alright everybody, so this is the difficult one. The difficult one is the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. A little bit easier is the daily, alright? Think a little bit and type in the chat, do you want to go long on what time frame, or do you want to go short and what on one time frame? But not on monthly and the weekly. So we're talking about the daily maybe, but especially the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Alright? No, I'm not sick, thank you very much. I don't have time to get sick. I don't have time. Allergy maybe, you know. Yeah, right, one whiskey, schnapps, whatever is going to solve the is going to solve the nose. Yeah, just the nose. Throat not. No, No, I'm totally fine. I went to the gym already and walking with the dogs already. No, it's all just the nose. Yeah, I have no idea. But it happens once or twice per year, it's alright. Not a big deal. Alright everybody, long or short on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Jordanka, hedge fund trader Chila, hedge fund trader Shola. Long or short on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Boss, this is too difficult, the Fibonaccis are too difficult. Do you want the Lambo? Everybody, do you want the Lambo? If this would be that easy, it's not that difficult either, you just practice, practice, practice. But if this would be that easy, everybody would be a billionaire right now, not a millionaire. Ernest is saying, I would buy 1 hour chart uptrend long as many times as I need it. Teacher Ernesto, we have a conformancy on the daily. Isn't this risky, teacher? Clara Long, on what time frame? If you want to buy the AB on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, everybody, I'm asking you a question. Isn't this risky? We have a conformancy, everybody. Clara, on what time frame? Everybody, isn't this risky buying the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart because the daily has a conformancy? The daily sub the extension is above the A. Isn't this risky? Clara says 1 hour too. So teacher Clara, teacher Ernesto, isn't going long risky because we have a conformancy? Shola says short the 4 hour. Short the 4 hour. Sure, but isn't it risky to short the 4 hour chart because we have a conformancy on the 4 hour, Shola? Isn't this risky too? Shorting the market? Right? Oh, I hate those lessons. Those are the best lessons if you are serious about making money. Those boring, difficult lessons are the best lessons if you are serious about making money. Because multiple time frame trading understanding is one of the big secrets. Fibonacci is just a tool. I could put on the chart, everybody, I could draw for you on the monthly, weekly, daily and the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart market wave instead of the Fibonaccis, or the short-term trend instead of the Fibonaccis, or support, resistance, pivot points with trend lines instead of the Fibonaccis. Is the understanding how a specific tool with its own rules functions on different time frames. Make sense? So going long on the daily, but we have a conformancy. Isn't this risky? Teacher Ernest is saying yes, it is, but we have a conformancy on the weekly too. Yes, we do, but we don't have a conformancy from the monthly. So daily could fail against weekly. Everybody makes sense? So you have the original Fibonacci going down, the weekly is going up, has the conformancy, but the monthly does not. So in between those four charts, how is it going to go? Is it going to go up 7 times out of 10, or is it going to go down? Hedge fund trader Shola, teacher Shola, shorting the market. Why would you short the market? You have an up Fibonacci on the 4 hour chart, you have an up Fibonacci on the weekly, and the 4-hour chart has found a confirmed C. Isn't this risky? Anybody else? Yes, we've done this from before. It's a way how to analyze the chart and the market. Clara, long 1-hour chart. Isn't this trade risky, everybody? Clara? Don't worry, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Teacher Shola, shorting the market. Isn't this risky? Boss, tell us their solution. It's a probability game, everybody. You must understand all of those. How they work with their own rules. Weekly and monthly are aligned, so to me the most powerful force is confirmed C from the weekly. Daily is downtrend. The market is at past resistance and there is confirmed C, so better to look for short. Wow. Shola says daily is past resistance, better to go short the market. Right? Everybody? Now, here is the answer. Okay? It's a probability game and you are doing extremely well, everybody. You are trying to figure out probabilities based on the time frame. Alright? Alright. So the monthly originally is up, everybody. The monthly is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and the C is not confirmed. What do you think is the monthly going to do next? Do you believe that the monthly is going to go up? Or do you believe the monthly is going to go down based on what you see? Type in the chat, everybody. Up or down? Based on what you see, do you believe the monthly is going to go up or do you believe the monthly is going to go down? 7 times out of 10. Right now. Right now. Remember, it's not just about direction, it's also timing, you know. Oh, but the monthly originally is up and the monthly is the greatest force, so up. Maybe you are going, if you go long right now, you might be premature. See, everybody, understanding the market from what do you see right now? What is the monthly telling you right now? And remember, we have another issue with none of you is a beginner trader anymore. All of you are advanced or intermediate. Our problem is not the occasional winner. Our problem, our issue is that we are not making any money. We are winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, right? Ernesto says go up. Ernesto, based on what? See, everybody, this is what we're talking about. This is the skill. Oh, the monthly is going to go up. Alright, based on what? Hello, boss, and everyone. Hello, Julius, how are you? Short on trend is not up, short on trend is down. Lower lows or highs, Ernesto. Teacher Clara, Teacher Shola, Teacher Julius. Do you believe the monthly is going to go up or do you believe the monthly is going to go down this week? There is no right or wrong. Yeah, it's almost here too, right? Almost at past resistance, maybe. Trend direction go down. So Everybody, trading is a learnable skill. Try to understand that you should trade based on what you see, not about what you think is going to happen. Make sense? See how the story changes, everybody? Ernest says, oh, the trend direction is down, so go down. Anybody else? Boss, what is the skill? The skill is your understanding of the chart. So this is now Ernest saying, oh, the market is going to go down. What if the market would have a confirmed C? See how the story changes based on what you see? Come on, everybody, the market will go down. Alright, so it's down, right? Okay, now, weekly chart. What about the weekly chart? Do you believe the market is going to push up? Same question. Do you believe the weekly is going to push down, or do you believe the weekly is going to push up based on what you see? Julius, go down this week. Very good. Boss, I don't understand. You have an up AB boundary from the original one on the monthly, but you can see that the month is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So we're trying to understand what is going to happen next. Is the market starting to go to push up, or is going to continue to go down? Well, based on what we see, the answer is down, right? So the market could retrace, but then it's going to go down based on the short-term downtrend and based on the fact that the C is not confirmed. This happened on most of the Euro pairs, everybody. Euro CAD, Euro New Zealand. Alright? How many of you been losing on Euro CAD and Euro New Zealand and some of the GBPs because you were buying the market prematurely? So, monthly is down. What about the weekly? Weekly down, down. Everybody, the C on the weekly is confirmed. Okay, now when the C is confirmed, who is stronger 7 times out of 10? Weekly down, weekly down. Who is stronger? Is the contrarian Fibonacci on the weekly chart stronger because it has a confirmed C, or is the original Fibonacci stronger that has a confirmed C? Who is stronger? Everybody, who is this is the skill. This chart, listen up, listen up, listen up. This chart, this setup, it's not the same as this chart and this setup. Does this make sense to you? If you are shorting in here, alright, why are you shorting in here? Is here anything different? Boss, I don't know. Look at the chart. Make sense? The short-term trend is down when even with confirmed C, the original is stronger. So we've learned those are the Fibonacci rules, everybody. Who is going to win 7 times out of 10? The contrarian pushing down, it's going to break the weekly Fibonacci, or the original one? Who is going to win 7 times out of 10? The C is confirmed, but there is no higher high yet. Exactly, you are trying to predict the future. Everybody, I'm not trying to convince you, this is a skill. If you say down, short, let's bid, down, short. Make sense? There is no right or wrong. You can say, oh no, I'm still short because there is no change in the short-term trend. Or you can say, oh, I'm going long because it has a conformity and 7 times out of 10 the original Fibonacci is stronger and is going to win. There is no right or wrong. All of you, please, after the lesson, download this lesson and watch yourself changing opinion because of the understanding of the market. It's super cool. You must learn this skill, everybody, okay? So up, right? Okay, prediction, just because of the conformity, right? Up, alright. What about the daily? What about the daily? Do you believe the daily is going to push down based on what you see? Or do you believe the daily is going to push up based on what you see? And it gets trickier. The smaller the time frame, the trickier it gets. Some is going to win, some is going to lose. Alright? By the way, this circle is this circle. You are looking at exactly the same thing from different time frames. Daily up, everybody type in the chat daily up or daily down. Who is going to win? We made some money on Euro New Zealand, and Euro New Zealand is positioned exactly like this. Shola weekly will look for the short market in on retracement. Everybody daily up or down? Choose one. I will look for short the market on the daily. Long or short? Daily down C confirmed. Alright everybody, daily down C confirmed. Now the monthly is down, no C confirmed. The weekly is up with the C confirmed. Is the daily going to push up because of the weekly C confirmed, or is the daily going to push down because of the monthly the C is not confirmed? Boss, can you repeat please? If you say that the weekly is going to push up, isn't this going to drive price movement on the daily too? Yes, but the monthly is down, fair enough. But the weekly, it's directly correlated to the daily. And I remember we were talking about the no trade zone. This question is not a general question, what is going to happen in the next years. It's from one week to another. If you don't understand how the Fibonaccis work and how the price action moves with the higher time frame controlling the smaller time frame, Clara down. Everybody, is the weekly C confirmed? Yes, it is. Is the daily making higher highs, higher lows? Everybody, is the daily making higher highs, higher lows? Oh, but the daily has the C confirmed too. Yes, but who is stronger? Is the weekly stronger or is the daily stronger? If you have a C confirmed on the weekly and you are seeing market higher highs, higher lows, why would you short the daily? Everybody, are we going against the daily time, the daily trend, shorting the market? Aren't we going against the market, making higher highs, higher lows? C confirmed from the weekly plus the market making higher highs, higher lows, and you are going to short the daily because it has a confirmed C. Daily is going to push down. Why? Everybody, you must understand something from this market. It's not just the confirmed C. You know, oh, it's a confirmed C, I'm going to short the market. What about the weekly? What about the weekly? So you must understand, everybody. But the monthly is making lower lows, lower highs. The weekly is making lower lows, lower highs. But the daily is making higher highs, higher lows. Why is the daily making higher highs, higher lows, everybody? And again, I'm not here to convince you. If you say, oh, it's down, it's going to push down, alright, let's be it. But in my opinion, the weekly is the driving force on the daily, therefore, this market is going to push up. Make sense, everybody? Now, if you say the market is going to push up on the daily, then the answer to the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, it's easy. You have pushing up, you are going to buy the original Fibonacci on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Make sense? If you say that the daily is going to push down, then you have no trade on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Everything and anything that you do, it's high risk because you have no alignments between the 3 time frames. Make sense, everybody? You have no alignments between those 3. Now, charts. Let's go, everybody, let's open Euro New Zealand. Yes, in my opinion, the daily is going to push up because the weekly has a confirmed C. Alright, everybody. This is the out. Out. Euro New Zealand monthly chart. See, everybody? This is now a live chart. We have the monthly going up and the contrarian still valid with no confirmed C. Agreed? Tell me, everybody, is the market pushing up or is the market pushing down? Tell me, everybody, is the market going up or is the market going down? Monthly, we don't know, right? So, clone chart, and this is going to be the weekly. exit full screen, monthly up in here, weekly in here, daily in the 4 hour. Alright, weekly chart. Weekly chart, I need to redo the Fibonacci's. I don't have it, not right now. Give me a second. Weekly Fibonacci, higher highs, higher lows. Is what? 168.102, 168.16. It's a higher high. 168.16, 168.102. So our Fibonacci is original one on the weekly this time. Come on. Alright. And then red went to red, right? So we would have something similar. Alright. Now let's draw the contrarian on the weekly. Out. So high to low. This is the low. High to low. Change colors, everybody, contrarian, give it a second, change colors, there you go. Alright. Pushing up, pushing up. Well, not the best example, right? Because still it didn't break, right? Didn't break DA, but still, right, everybody? What I want you to say, it's just because you have a confirmed C, this doesn't mean, so the original Fibonacci on the monthly is up, the original Fibonacci on the weekly is up. How is the original Fibonacci on the daily? Everybody, wasn't the original Fibonacci on the daily down and you are trying to short the market? Edit levels. It broke already, boss. I know, just give me a second. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, going down. A, B, C, D. This is the daily. Green and green, green, green. There you go. See everybody? So this is the daily, right? This is the capital A. This is the capital B. This is the capital B. This is the capital C. Don't we have a confirmed C from the daily, everybody? Don't we have a confirmed C from the daily? So if you would short the market on the daily, would you win or would you lose? Everybody answer the question. If you would short the market starting from here, because you have a confirmed C, would you win or would you lose? High to low, contrarian, contrarian. Not sure about this one, give me a second. This is 1754949, so didn't hit yet. So the next one is going to be, right? This is the summer from here to here. Zoom in the chart. Zoom in the chart. We are looking for a high. There you go. Everybody, simple question. Do you have or do you have not a conformity from the daily? Do we have or do we have not a conformity from the daily chart? Euro New Zealand daily chart. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, boss. Alright. If you short the market, because all of you said this daily is going to go down because of the conformity, are you going to win 7 times out of 10 or are you going to lose 7 times out of 10? Daily C conformed. Would you short it? We have. Would you short it? If you short the conformity on the daily, what are you shorting from the monthly? What are you shorting from the weekly? Who is stronger, everybody? This is the weekly chart. You have a conformity from the daily. Do you believe the market is going to do this? Or is the market telling you we are not moving down anymore, we are moving up? No, I will not short. Congratulations to you, Clara, you are smart. In conclusion for today, because of my nose, everybody, it cannot be just a conformity. Does this make sense? The conformity is important, yes, but only if it's aligned with other time frames. Alright, everybody, we're going to finish today a little bit earlier. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. This is